Hari Om. Today's Hanuman Chalisa verse is Mahabira Vikrama Bajarangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. Maha, great, Veera, warrior, Vikrama, brave, with power or strength and strength. Bajarangi, Bajara means diamond, Anga, body parts. Kumati, bad intellect. Nivara, cure or clean or destroy. Sumati, good intellect. K, Sangi, K of Sangi, companion. O mighty, valorous one means you show great courage in the face of danger. You are brave and powerful. Your body organs are as strong as diamond. Cure my bad mind with companion of those with pure and good mind. Here Tulsi ji praying Hanuman to remove bad people's companionship and put me in good people companionship. He is saying Mahabira. Hanumanji is greatest warrior in battlefield. We know everybody. But he controlled his senses, defeated all the Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada and Matsarya, and become a greatest devotee of Lord Sri Ramji. In Shastras, controlling senses and defeating these Arishad Vargas, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, considered as a greatest victory than victory on battlefield. Because if you have a courage, if you have a power, if you have a strength, you can go and fight in the battlefield and probably you will win there. But controlling the senses, defeating this Arishad Vargas, you need more courage and more control over senses. And giving up all these material things and controlling the senses and defeating this Kama, Krodha, other things, it's not that easy. But Hanumanji did it and he controlled those things. That is why he is considered Mahavira. He is not only Mahavira on battlefield, he controlled all those inner enemies. So that is why he is called Mahavira. And Vikrama, brave. Because of his power and strength, he could carry out any task. No fear or no second thought at all. If it is benefit for the society, if it benefit for the protection of dharma, and he will do it and he finish it. So that is why he is Vikrami. Bajarangi. Your body parts are as strong as diamond. He was so strong. So no normal weapon can harm him at any time. So that is why his body was very strong, so nobody can harm him with normal weapons. Here in Bajrangi, there are two words, Bajra plus Angi. Bajra plus Angi. This whole Hanuman Chalisa is in Awadhi. This is one of the oldest languages and language form. And in fact, the whole Tulsidas Ji's Ramayana is in Awadhi. So most of the usages, sometimes it looks very differently, because normal Hindi and this Awadhi, it is totally different. And also in Sanskrit, there is one rule, Vabhayor Abhedaha. Va and Ba, you can use it anywhere. It means there is no difference between Va and Ba. It means you can use Va and Ba in same context, or if Va and Ba is there, you can look for the exact meaning in both contexts. If it is Va there, if you can't understand, you can put it in a Ba there, and if it comes out a nice meaning, that's fine. In Sanskrit, Vajra means diamond. So the same Bajara, Vajra. Vajra and Bajra. Angi, so Vajra Angi. So his body parts were as strong as diamond. And then he says, Kumati ke Sanga Nivar. Please destroy my companionship with bad people. Not only bad people. Please bless me and cut off my companionship with bad people. Because of that bad relationship, I won't be able to achieve my spiritual growth. That is what Bhagavan Sri Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita as well. Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangaha Teshu Upajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodhobhijayate Krodhat Bhavati Sammohaha Sammohat Smriti Vibhramaha Smriti Bhramshat Buddhinasho Buddhinashat Pranashyati. This is what Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita. Thinking about sense objects or material things and people, human beings develops an attachment with those things. Once he starts developing those attachment, he develops desire in those things, desire in those people, desire in those sense objects. When he won't get those things or those people, those objects in his life, he becomes angered. When he is in anger, he will in perfect illusion. Once he is in illusion, his memory will be lost. Once memory will be lost, he loses intelligence. Once he loses intelligence, man starts falling down. Again, he commits mistakes and accumulates sin, and again keep coming in this birth and death cycle of life. So that is why we should avoid all these bad companionship in our life. please bless me. Make me associated with good people. So sitting with good people, I can develop good things and make my life meaningful one. So please remove these bad companionships and put me in good people companionship. It says in Niti Shataka also, Sumatike Sangi. He said in Sumatike Sangi. So put me in good people companionship. It says in Niti Shataka as well, Jadyam Dhiyo Harati Sinchati Vachi Satyam Manonatim Dishati Papam Apakaroti Chetaha Prasadayati Dikshu Tanoti Kirtim Satsangatihi Kataya Kimna Karoti Pumsam. If you are associated with good people, what are the things you will have in your life? If our association with good people will make us think clearly by removing bad thoughts in our mind, makes us to speak good, makes us to speak sweetly, makes us to speak truthfully. If you are associated with good people, your social status will grow. If you are associated with good people, they protect you from doing sinful things. Always keeps mind and body as cheerful as possible. Chetaha prasadayati. And makes us to be recognized by other good citizens as well. Dikshu tanoti kirtim. If you are associated with good people, people will start recognizing us. So, chanting this particular verse, Mahavira Vikrama Bajarangi Kumati Nivaru Sumati Ke Sangi, will get us good things in our life by removing bad company or bad thoughts in our mind, and makes us strong with body and mind and helps us to be spiritually motivated. So this verse is very powerful one, and please keep chanting this verse as well. Hope you are all enjoying it. We meet you next time for the next verse. God bless you all. Hari Om. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.